I'm Tana.
And I'm Meher. And this is our ages story. Sorry about that.
So we bought a house and I don't know anything about fixing anything because I don't know anybody in this country. So if you have to fix something, even you have to tighten a screw, I cannot do that. Someone new to this country, they must have American Home Shield. It can be their biggest friend. Our dishwasher was not working. My first step was do a video chat with American Home Shield to find out if we can fix it. And it was not fixable. So American Home Shield replaced our dishwasher.
The best thing about American Home Shield is saving time and peace of mind. It's a really wonderful service. I'll recommend my friend or relative or whoever American Home Shield 100%. They will thank me later.
Don't worry.
Be warranty.